Alright guys, I'm here at another dumpster. We are at JoAnn Fabrics right now. What is that? Oh my god. Dude. Oh. Oh. Are you kidding me? Huh? Are you serious right now? This thing is worth. Huh? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my god. Guys, this is amazing. Oh my god. I can't get out of here. Oh my god. Check that out. It says, I'm really hoping that that's the tag to that, guys. Oh my god. Look at, look at, it is. Oh my god. Why would they throw that out? I think I broke my wrist, but this thing's worth like $2,000? Are you kidding me? Guys, I just found the hit of the century. Holy crap. I can't do it. Oh god. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna get this down here. I don't want to drop any of it. We're gonna leave it in here for. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, look at all these. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, this is amazing. Are you kidding me? Look at this. We got the top to that. I don't know what this is. It's heavy. It's very heavy. Okay, we don't care much about that. Get all the parts to this one. Guys, I could not believe that. I found a $2,000 sewing machine. Are you kidding me? Look at this. We got a brand new sewing machine. Look at that thing. Look how new that is. This one I think I can set out there because it's got the long handle here. Oh, God. I was wrong. I was very wrong. I gotta get something to stand on. Put that to the side. So I can hopefully get these other ones out here too. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh, God. Why are sewing machines so heavy? There's two. Guys, we got two out. Now for this one. This one I have to be really careful with because it's worth $2 grand. Lean it right there. Guys, are you kidding me? What we got here? Look at all these. Oh, no way. Oh my god. Taking that whole bag. Guys, we have the hit of a lifetime right now. I cannot even believe this. You know what? How much are these? Where's the price on these? You know what? I'm sure these things are worth something. So we can take them. Top right there. This is awesome. Look at this whole bag of stuff. That looks like part of a sewing machine. Looks like something you could use for sewing. This is amazing, guys. Seriously amazing. Scabarna. I don't know, like, what this is. Maybe I'll take it. Oh, God. Monogrammer and templates. Monogrammer. I don't know what this is, but I gotta get those pieces. Guys, this is insane. Are you kidding me? Look at all this stuff. Husqvarna, card reader writer. You know what? That's pretty awesome. Oh man, I'm probably gonna leave that here though, because I don't know, like that looks really old, kind of crappy. I don't need that. Embroidery, accessories, good. I might leave all this stuff here, just because I don't really know what it is. It's probably worth something, but I have no idea. I really don't. Guys, I'm too excited right now. I cannot believe I found that thing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour this out just to save some time. We'll put those there for now. Got all these little things. I'm not gonna grab those. Guys, I know you're probably gonna hate me for all that. I'll take this. Definitely take that. We don't need this. Sewing machine needles. Those have got to be good. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm not taking anything that you guys would be like, oh my god, take it. But I don't know that much about this stuff. I'm trying to take as much as I can without taking too much. Because I don't like to take everything, I find. Seems to be everything there. There's all that stuff. Let's get our way over here. Guys, I'm like shaking right now because of the excitement, the adrenaline rush of just finding that $2,000 freaking sewing machine. What is this? I don't know what that is, but I'm taking it. That looks like a boat motor. Why is there a boat motor in here? This is hilarious, guys. I'm taking it. Yeah, I'm going out this way. Why am I taking this? I have no idea why I'm taking that. Alright, guys, I'm gonna come back for all that. But I just want. Oh God Almighty! Guys, I just want to get back over here to this. Guys, check these out. Are you kidding me? And look at this. I'm gonna hit this again. Seam ripper. The sapphire. Oh man, this might not be the same one. Is this a sapphire? This is a apartment electric. Most missing items. I don't know. Guys, either way, even if this isn't this, it's still really cool. If you know how much this thing's worth, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna try to look it up, but I don't know if I'll find out what it's worth or not. Wow. And this thing right here, this seriously looks brand spanking new. Now I just said spanking. I don't know why. I've never said that before. I'm just really excited. Oh yes, it's missing that stuff in there, which I don't think is a big deal. I hope. I think you buy that stuff and put that in there, right? I don't know. Either way, we got this one, and we got that one. Woo! All right, guys. And now we can check these out. We got all these. I don't know what they are, to be honest with you. They're all like pattern things. I don't know. Figure it out later. Awesome. Oh, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Real quick. I'll check this out again. Oops, that was loud. Vasco Industries. I don't know what that is. It's a propeller of some sort. But okie dokie, guys. Wow, this was a great hit. Alright guys, remember to like the video, subscribe, definitely share this video if you enjoyed it. Tell your friends about it. And yeah, have a good night, have a good day. keep finding those fortunes, and we'll see you.